Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel then please subscribe now. Today I am going to discuss with you a very serious topic. As you can see, the coronavirus is not stopping at all, and in fact it is spreading like anything now. So the question is when this all will end and whether we are at the peak of the corona or the worst is yet to come. So to know all this, you have to see this video till the end. In my previous video, I had mentioned that once the 3 eclipses are over, we will reach the peak of corona in the month of July and August. And as we see that the last eclipse that was on 5th July is over now, so we can see very well that we are climbing the graph very fast, and as the corona cases are rising day by day and very rapidly. But the question is, when will this all end and how long is this period? So for this I would show you some planetary positions on different dates.
This is the chart on 25th Jan 2020. See the position of Jupiter, Ketu and Pluto. They are all in conjunction in the sign of Sagittarius. This is the time when the outbreak of corona started in India. Now this is the chart on 20 March, after which the lockdown was imposed by the government of India. You can see the combination of Jupiter and Ketu is still there and Mars joins in, due to which the corona cases in India started rising very fast during that time. Now we see the chart on 1st April when Jupiter moves away from Ketu and goes to Capricorn. Capricorn is the sign of governance, power and system. So from April to June, Jupiter remains in Capricorn and Ketu in Sagittarius, thus breaking the conjunction.
In April, the cases were very less in India compared to the other countries. And by the end of May, the government even lifted the lockdown as the cases were still under control. So we see that in April and May, all was in control due to the efforts of the government. But in June, the cases started rising very fast, and this is all because of the 3 eclipses that happened in a row.
Now see the chart on 1st July. The deadly combination is back. Jupiter, Ketu and Pluto all together again, as Jupiter and Pluto retrogrades back to Sagittarius. This is why the corona cases are increasing rapidly now.
So this is the thing I wanted to show you all. Now this combination will remain till 23rd September. So the peak of corona will be here till August. After that, Ketu will move to the sign of Scorpio and the Jupiter retrogression will be over by then. So this is the time when we will see that there is a reduction in the corona cases by the end of September. But Jupiter and Pluto still remains together till November in Sagittarius. So we would not get any relief from this virus completely. And as you can see, many countries are facing a second outbreak of this virus. We in India can also face another outbreak during this time till December. Now vaccines may be invented by many countries including India by then, but it will not reach the common people in this year. So yes, we can say that the worst is yet to come. So as I said in my earlier videos also, coronavirus is here to stay for long and maybe till next year also. So we must do whatever we can to prevent it. Adaptation to new way of living in form of social distancing, maintaining hygiene and wearing masks are very important now. Alright, so this is all for today, and if you have liked my video, then please hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you. Namaskar.